When a user works with a longer document, the quickest and the easiest way to find a particular word or phrase is to use the find command. When a user works with a longer document, the quickest and the easiest way to find a particular word or phrase is to use the find command. So if you have written a long paragraph, a lengthy paragraph, then and you have to find some words, then you will use this feature to find a paragraph or a word in the uh, document. Okay. Now finding text, type the following paragraph and save it as na document. Okay. First of all, you have to write some paragraph. Then on the home tab in the editing group, click find or press Ctrl plus F. Okay. On the home tab in the editing group, click find or press Ctrl plus F. Then find and replace dialog box appear in the find word box. Type Jinnah. After typing this, click find next to start the search. First of all, you have to return a document, a paragraph. Then on the home tab in the editing group, click find or or press Ctrl plus F. Find and replace dialog box appears in the find word box. Type Jinnah or any other word that you want to find. Then click find next to start the search. So word highlights the first matching word it finds. Okay. Then click find next to find the next matching word. Repeat until a dialog box appears telling that search is complete. Then click no to the close dialog box. Okay. First of all, you have to write a document. Then you have to click on the find of editing group or click find or press Ctrl plus F. Then find and replace dialog box appear here. In the find word box, you have to type the word which you want to find. Then click the find text to start search. The word highlights the first matching word it find. Click find next to find the next matching word. Repeat until a dialog box appears telling that search is complete. Click no to close dialog box. Okay. So class, that is a way to find the word in a lengthy document paragraph. Now the next topic is find and replace text. In the previous topic, we have learned how to find the text. Now, in this topic, we are going to discuss how we can find and also replace the text with another word. Okay. Now, replace command is used when the user wants to replace a word or phrase with some other word or phrase. This feature can be used to make several changes with a single click. Okay, replace command is used when a user wants to replace a word or phrase with some other words or phrase. This feature can be used to make several changes with a single click. Now replacing text, retry the document document on the home tab in the editing group, click replace. You can see there on the home tab there is an option of replace. First of all, you have to open a document that you have shared or you have just write. Then on the home tab in the editing group, click replace. Now find and replace dialog box appear. When you click on the replace option, then there is a find and replace dialog box appear. In the find word box, type Jinnah. Okay. In the find word box, type Jinnah. And now in the replace with box, type Quaid-e-Azam. Click replace all. This will replace the word Jinnah with Quaid-e-Azam in the whole document. Okay. So this is the way how you can find and replace the word in the Word 2007. First of all, you have to open a file, open a document. Then you have to click on the home tab. In the editing group, click replace. Then the find and replace dialog box appear. In the find word box, type Jinnah or any other word that you want to replace. Now in the replace with box, type Quaid-e-Azam or any other word which you want to use instead of the last word. Then click replace all. This will replace the word Jinnah with Quaid-e-Azam in the whole document. So click OK to close the message. Now here you can see on his return to India, you have just replaced the word Quaid-e-Azam with Jinnah with Quaid-e-Azam. Okay. Here you can see on his return to India, Jinnah joined the Indian National Congress. Then Jinnah wanted to see India a free country. Now you can see here on his return to India, Quaid-e-Azam joined the Indian National Congress and against the Quaid-e-Azam. So that is the way how you can replace, find and replace the word in the paragraph in document. Now 3.2.9 topic number, using the chasers. Chasers suggest other words with a similar meaning to the selected word. Using the research task pane, a user can look up synonyms, different words with the same meaning, and antonyms, words with the opposite meaning in the chasers. So from this option you can use a user can look up synonyms and antonyms in the chasers. Now using the retrieve the document Jinnah, select the word we want to replace with other word. Now you can see on the review tab in the proofing group, click teachers. Now again the research task pane appears. Selected word appears here. Click teachers. Now position the mouse over the word we want to use in the document. Okay. First of all, you have to open a file. Proofing group. Now the research task pane appears. The selected word appears here. which you have selected. Then click scissors, position the mouse over the word we want to use in the document. Now click the arrow beside the word we want to use. At the end, click insert to replace the word in the document with the new word. Here you can see there's some options. Click arrow to find words with similar meanings. And the second one is click this area to display a list of resources we can use to search for information. Now in the go back, each word that appears in bold in this area has a similar meaning to the word in the document. So you can see here in the bold words, bold in this area, similar meaning to the word in the document. Each word below a bold word offers a synonym for the bold word. Now you can see on his arrival, replace text. Now the word has been replaced. We have replaced the word return with arrival. Okay. Now inserting symbols. A user can insert symbols in the document such as copyright symbol, trademark symbols, paragraph marks, etc., which are not on the keyboard. So Word will allow you to insert symbol in the document such as copyright symbols, trademark symbols, paragraph marks, which are not on the keyboard. Now again, inserting symbol. Open a blank document, type the following text. Suppose we want to use symbol of phone here. Then click symbols in the insert tab. Most recently used symbols appear in the box. If required symbol is not there, click more symbols. Here you can see the option of more symbols. Then if there is required symbol is not there, then you can click on more symbols. The symbol dialog box appears displaying the symbol for the current font. Okay, now select the symbol for the visiting card. Click insert. Selected symbol will be inserted. Now you can see the CMML. One is address, and after that you have replaced the word phone with the symbol of phone. So that is the way how you can replace, how you can insert a symbol. First of all, you have to write some document. Then click on the symbols in the insert tab. If required symbol is not there, then click more symbol. When you click on more symbol, the symbol dialog box appears and displays the symbols for the current font. Now select the symbols for the visiting card. Click insert. Selected symbol will be inserted. Now for today's last topic, adding a comment. A comment about a selected text can be added in the document. A comment about a selected text can be added in the document A comment can be a note, explanation, or reminder that a user adds to a document. Repeat, a comment can be a note, explanation, or reminder that a user adds to a document. Now, words display the document in a balloon in the margin of the document or in the review pane. Now, we are going to add a comment, adding a comment. First of all, open the document document, select the web layout view or print layout view. Now select the text we want to add a comment to. For example, Jina. In the review tab, click new comment in the comments group. You can see there in the review tab, there is option of new comment. So in the review tab, click new comment in the comments document. A comment balloon appears in the right margin of the document. Type the comment. After tapping the command, click outside the comment balloon. So, you add the comment about the word Jinnah. Comment one as Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the founder of Pakistan. Okay, that is the way how you can add a comment in a Word document. First of all, you have to open a save file, then select the web layout view or print layout view. Then select the text we want to add a comment. Then in the review tab, click new comment in the comments group. A comment balloon appears in the right margin of the document. Now type the document. After typing the comment, click outside the comment balloon. So the comment which you have written has been appeared on the left side of the margin line. So class, that is the last lecture of today's topic. So if you have any kind of question, you can ask me. Hurry up.